Hey, have you ever walked into a room and felt instantly relaxed or energized just because of the lighting? Well, what if I told you that you can completely transform the vibe of any space with minimalist lighting? Stick around, because I'm going to show you how small lighting changes can create big impacts. Let's dive in. Here's the deal, lighting is everything. In a minimalist design, lighting isn't just about seeing, it's about setting a mood. It's like the secret sauce that ties the whole room together. With the right lighting, you can highlight your space's best features, and create a calm, focused environment. Minimalist lighting. It's all about intentional light, not just filling the room with random bulbs. Let's start with the best light source: natural light. There's something magical about sunlight that makes any space feel larger and more open. In minimalist design, the more natural light you can bring in, the better. Think large windows, mirrors to reflect that gorgeous sunshine, and light-colored curtains that let it all in. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Alright, now let's talk about ambient lighting. This is the foundation of minimalist lighting, and it's all about creating a smooth, even glow that fills the room without being overpowering. Think recessed lighting, or wall-mounted sconces with diffusers. You want your lighting to complement the space, not dominate it. Remember, subtlety is key. Next up, task lighting. Whether you're working, reading, or cooking, task lighting is all about function, but that doesn't mean it can't look great. Go for sleek, modern fixtures like a stylish desk lamp or a pendant light above your kitchen island. It's all about providing that perfect spot of light, while keeping your space clean and minimalist. Here's where things get fun: accent lighting. This is what adds dimension to your space. Want to highlight a piece of artwork, or bring attention to your favorite plant? Accent lighting is the secret. Just be sure not to overdo it. Think track lights or adjustable spotlights. Use strategically to enhance the vibe, not steal the show. Now, let's talk color temperature. Ever notice how warm light makes a space feel cozy, while cool light can give off a fresh, energetic vibe? That's the power of color temperature. For a relaxed, intimate feel, go for warm, yellow tone lights. For something more lively and fresh, cool, bluish light is your best friend. The right tone sets the entire mood of your room. Here's the game changer: layering. It's the secret to a balanced, dynamic space. By combining ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting, you create versatility in your room. Whether you want to unwind or get some work done, the layered approach lets you control the mood and functionality of your space effortlessly. So there you have it. Minimalist lighting can totally transform the feel of your space: simple, intentional, and balanced. Which lighting tip are you most excited to try in your own home? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using minimalist lighting to create your dream space. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.